Hi Tash. Okay, I'm going to talk you through coupons. Alright, so here I am in the dashboard for miiduu, and to get to the coupon section I need to go up to marketing and then down to coupons. Okay, so at the moment we don't have any coupons, so we need to create some. So we're going to create 3 different types of coupons. One's going to be a percentage discount, another one's going to be a fixed price discount, and another one's going to be a free local shipping one, just for your locals that you want to be able to give like pickup to. And then, oh, actually we're going to create another one as well that is, say, a buy one get one free. Okay, so let's go in and create the first one, which is going to be, say for example, we want to offer 15% off store-wide for Christmas. Alrighty. So we need to enter our coupon name, so you can just call it whatever you want. This is not the actual coupon code yet. Add in your description. Your description is just for you. So if you need to remind yourself, that you were only advertising this on Facebook or something like that, you put that in the description. Okay. And we actually have to put something in here, so we might just put VIP only. Alrighty. And then we need to make up our code. Try not to make it too obvious, but keep it short. So I'm going to put 15CH actually, and try and use capitals because they're a little bit easier for people to read when you're creating the marketing material. Okay, so now we need to tell it whether it's a percentage or a fixed amount. So we know this one we're doing as a percentage. The discount in here is going to be how much is the actual discount that we're doing. So it's 15%. Okay, you don't need to put the percentage sign, it'll automatically know that. The next bit is the total amount. So do we want to make it so that they have to spend $50 in order to be able to get this 15% discount? If they don't need to reach anything, just leave that blank, okay? If they need to spend $200 to be able to get that 15% discount, you would just put in 200, okay? We're going to leave that blank. Alrighty, customer login. Do you want the customer to have to log in to be able to use this discount? The reason it's asking you that is because you can also check out as a guest, so without leaving as much information about yourself. I would always tend to say, yes, you've got to be a customer, because you want to be able to extract their emails and put them in the newsletter as well. Free shipping. Now, the free shipping in here, I wouldn't ever click yes to unless you're specifically doing a free shipping one, because you've already got free shipping when they spend $50 or more if they're an Australian resident. So that's actually done. Sorry, let me close that. That's actually done in another section. So don't really worry too much about that free shipping in here, because if you were to press yes, that would also apply to the rest of the world, and you really don't want to give the rest of the world free shipping. Alrighty, now in here is where we can select if we want to make it the entire catalogue. You just leave it blank. But if you only wanted to do it to certain products, so if you wanted it 15% off all Solace jewellery products, you would go in, find all of your Solace products click on them, and then click the right arrow to bring them over to here. And that means that the discount will apply to those products. But we actually don't want it to be on anything, because we want it to be across the whole board. Okay, we need to choose a start date and an end date. Because miiduu is American, what you want to do is start it the day before you want it to start. So if I wanted it to start on Friday, I would actually click Thursday the 16th. The end date I usually keep the Australian date, so if I wanted it to end on Friday the 31st of May, I would just click that date, and it'll go for a few extra hours, but you really don't need to worry too much about that. It's not going to affect you majorly. You can also bring that to any time you want. So if you wanted to bring it to the end of the year, sometime in mid-October, that's perfectly fine. Okay, the next bit is how many people can use the coupon and how many times can each person use it. So basically this one says uses per coupon. The maximum number of times the coupon can be used by any customer. Leave blank for unlimited. So if we want anyone to be able to use this, we just need to leave it blank. Okay? A lot of the times when you're creating a promotion, you really only want people to be able to use the coupon once per customer. So this is where this bit comes in. So the maximum number of times the coupon can be used by a single customer. So I'm going to leave that on 1. Okay, make sure it's enabled. And we scroll up and press save. Okay, and it brings us back to this. We can go in and check all those details if we want. And anytime, if you're going to go off now and create the marketing material, you can come back to this section and quite easily see the code here. Okay, so the next one we're going to set up is a fixed price discount. Okay, so click to add. Alrighty, and this one we're going to say, alright, if you spend $200 in store, I'll give you $20 off. So, there we go. I created this one before. So for VIP only, your description will be whatever you'd like, but you've got to put something in there. Code, I'm going to say VIP 200 S20. So that's quite a long one, but I don't want anyone to be able to guess it. Okay, so this one, it's a $20 discount, so I'm going to say it's a fixed amount, and I'm going to put 20 in there. So remembering you don't need to put the $sign, okay? Now, because they have to spend $200 to get that discount, this is where I add that in. So the total amount they have to spend is $200. Yes, I want them to have to log in and not be a guest. No, they can't have free shipping, because remember that's going to be applied anyway when they spend over $50, which they are here. Okay, again, it's going to be across the board, so I'm not adding any specific products in here. Dates, we'll just go starts yesterday, only goes for 1 day, there we go. And then I want it to be used by any of our customers, but they can only use it once. Okay, alrighty, we'll click save. Alright, so the next one I'm going to set up is, for example, a buy one get one free. So this is how you would do that. Just bringing it up. Okay, so you'll need to apply this to specific products. Actually, it doesn't really work if you want to do it across the board. It can only really work if you're doing it on, say, earrings. So let's go buy one get one free on earrings. Sure, that's not how you spell earrings. Solace earrings only. Okay, so we make up our code, so maybe it's B1, G1, B. Okay, and then we're going to make it a fixed amount. So what we need to do the buy one get one free here is work out how much does one of the pairs of earrings cost, and we need to put that in here. So say if a pair of earrings was $30, we put that in here. The total amount we need to double what one pair of earrings is. So they have to put 2 sets of earrings in their cart, so they'll reach $60 before they can get a $30 discount. Hope that makes sense. To show you how to do the buy one get one free, sort of putting 2 of them in your cart and then you get 1 of them free. Yes, we want them to check in. No, they can't have free shipping because they're already getting a great deal anyway. And we want to specifically apply that to earrings. Again, we'll have to go in and find exactly where they are. I'll just see if I can actually find. There we go. Let's just say just on the cross stud earrings. Okay. We'll put in our start date, our end date. Anyone can use it, but they can only use it once. Okay. And then we're going to go save. Alrighty. So the next quickly one is if we wanted to do a local pickup only. So free shipping. Alrighty. So I'm going to go add. And basically in this coupon that we're going to create, all we're going to do is give them free shipping. Alright, so I'm going to call this local free pickup. Alrighty, so you might actually say like friends only in here. Sorry about my spelling. Ooh. Friends only. Okay, and we might go local FP, sorry, LFP. Just always try and put something a bit inconspicuous in there, so because people will try and just put a code in there. Alrighty, we don't need to say what type, we don't need to say what discount, we don't need to say what amount. Yes, we do want them to be able to log in because we need to see that it's a local friend or at least just a local, and we just go yes, free shipping. Okay, so even if it's under $50, yep, that's okay, they can have free shipping. And then by using this code, you'll know that they're going to come pick it up because they'll actually show you in the email that you get that somebody's placed an order that they've used this local free pickup one, so you'll know. Okay, and then we put in our start date and our end date, so you might put the end date as the end of the year because you have to put an end date. Anyone can use it, and this time we want them to be able to use it as many times as they want. So if your friends want to place 7 orders throughout the year, they can do it as many times as they want. And then we go save. And that's it. That's how you use coupons. I hope that makes sense. Just give me a call if it doesn't, or a text or an email. Okay, bye.